Alright guys, so I have the privilege of testing out this guy here. It's Maxspeedingrods. It's an ECU, like a piggyback type thing, I guess, for my 2017 F-150. I've already opened it up, but so there was a plastic wrap around it. I opened that up. Box slides apart like that. You get some double-sided tape with it. 3M, so I mean it should stick. You know, just clean the spot good before you install it. You get a couple of stickers. Now it looks more like ECW, so I'm not sure what the why they made it look like that. I don't know. Engine control something. Then you get it in black and white. This is the module itself. Now, while I was hoping that it plugged into the OBD2 port, this guy feels like it's decent quality. It's got some good weight to it. The case is all metal. Does have this little adapter here. So the thing I like about it, even though it doesn't plug into the OBD2, you don't. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's a bit difficult. Okay, there. So box comes apart like that. Inside of it is this wiring adapter. So that plugs to the ECU side. I'll call it ECU for lack of better terms right at the moment. So that plugs in there, and then on this side you got these guys here and these guys here. So it's like I believe those are for the MAP sensors, or the mass airflow sensors on the F-150. I believe they're MAP sensors. And then, you know, it's splice in. So let's go see how easy it is to install. Alright, so I haven't mounted it yet. I want to make sure that there's no check engine lights or anything. Make sure I have it connected right before finding a permanent mounting spot. So you can see right there, there's a MAP sensor back there. There's a MAP sensor back here, right here. Sorry, hard to see there. Right there. Harness just plugs in like that. The only issue I have with it, they're not keyed any differently, and the cables are the same length, so I'm not sure if one's supposed to go to one and one's supposed to go to the other. That is my only concern. So I'm going to turn the key on, make sure there is no check engine lights or anything, and then I will, if it's good, I'll mount that. Alright, so it's not fully mounted yet. I tucked it in there. It's still plugged in. There are no check engine lights. So I'm going to close the hood on it and take it for a test trip. Once I get back, if everything's good, I'll mount it permanently and get all that stuff put in place. Just got back from my drive. I didn't see a noticeable difference. Does seem to spin the tires a bit more from 0 to 60, but I never really paid much attention to that in the first place, so it could just be a placebo. I'll be in Salt Lake tomorrow. I'm gonna see if my friend will let me borrow his draggy, or see if I can find someone that'll let me borrow it, and do a proper 0 to 60 test with and without that installed, since it's easy to do. I just remove the plugs for a second, swap them to the sensors without the module, and swap it back. It's easy to install. Like I said, I probably don't even have to remove the engine cover. I simply did it because I want to hide the wires underneath it. And then the module is nice. It's metal, you know, so you can mount it anywhere and it won't look out of place, really. I don't know how it affects fuel economy. I will test that tomorrow when I'm going down to Salt Lake. And then I don't see any downsides to it right as now. My guess is it's tricking the ECU some way, either making it run rich or making it run more lean. I don't have a wideband, so I can't definitely prove that. But anyways, next video I will do a 0 to 60 test with and without it. I'll let you know the fuel economy differences, and I will then update you on what I think, and give you my recommendation then.